Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to make objects float in Geometry Dash. So start with the step number 1, which is to go to Create tab and either start a new level or edit an existing one. So the level editor gives you the access to all objects and triggers needed to create floating effects. Next step is add object that you want to make float. So this can be any decoration, block, or spike. So you can place it where you want the floating animation to occur. So you just have to select it and assign it to a group ID like group 1. Next step is go to the Triggers tab and find the Move trigger. So place it where you want the animation to start. So that is usually at the beginning of the level or when the object becomes visible. So this trigger controls object movement. Next step is click on the Move trigger to edit its settings. So set the target group to your object's group. So for a floating effect, you can set a small Y movement like 10 to 20 and then choose east and out for smooth motion. So you can set the duration to 1 to 2 seconds and enable lock to player X if needed. Lastly is for continuous floating, you can add another move trigger that moves the object back down. Then you can also use spawn triggers to loop the animation. So you just have to test your level to see the beautiful floating effect in action. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!